Heyo boyos, I've decided I'm gonna finally dip my toes into the septic tank called YouTube. My goal is to just create video diaries to look back on in the future to see how life has been when I was younger. Here we have my beautiful boy Coda. He's a good boy. Though also very much a brat, as you could see before with him trying to grab our clothes. It's really my fault though. Coda's always a little bit of a snark right before we all leave for work. The drive to the airport I intern at is about 35 minutes, and it's a really nice drive, but honestly sometimes it makes me want to fall asleep. This is the first rain in about a month here, and it's extremely welcome with the heat that's been going on. And here's some of the planes that I have the privilege to keep company all day. There's a chieftain that the boss owns that the more experienced workers are fixing up the wheel mechanism. And here's me working on a Convair 131A wheel well. I'm piping grease into grease fittings, and also I need to clean off the surfaces first before I do that. And here's the one and only Pops. I'm about to sit down and catch up on all my logs for the week. After 5 hours of work, I head home and check on my kitty who's been injured the past week. She's had a lame leg, and she may need an amputation, so she's been through a couple vet visits and lots more to come. For now, she's chilling out in the bathroom. That's about it for my average day, but every day brings something new, especially when it comes to that mechanic job. And I think it'd be really cool if I could share that, not just with my future self, but with, I guess, YouTube as a whole now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll be able to post a video once a week, maybe even twice a week once I get into the groove of things. Bye bye.